What's up guys, it's Victor here again. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Vivo Y51, a very sleek and budget-friendly phone. It's a mid-range phone coming at 108,000 Nigerian Nairas or $250. And for the features this device packs and the price it's being sold at, this device is a very good deal, but with some compromises that can eventually be a deal breaker. I have timestamps at table of contents to various sections of this video in the description box below. Please, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post a new video like this one. The Vivo Y51 comes in a very sleek form factor. I like the profile, it's easy to handle and easy to operate because of the tall aspect ratio. And because it's smart and frosted, it's less of a fingerprint cum magnet. The edges are curved, which makes it very easy to handle. Again, Vivo went through with the display of the Y51 as they did with the V20. The notch display, I think it's something that is now outdated. Just like the V20, there is a water drop notch display, and if you haven't seen my review of the V20, I'll leave the link to that video up here. The phone is beautiful regardless of the notch and the bezels. On the right are the volume rocker keys and the power button. The power button is also the fingerprint sensor. Honestly, I feel if there should be a physical fingerprint sensor on a device, then it should be this type. This is just so intuitive, this is just so convenient to use. Like, it's where your hand would naturally lie, and just like opening and unlocking your phone, you are also waking up your phone. On the left side is nothing. On the bottom edge are the down-firing loudspeaker, a USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The back features a good-looking camera mount. The camera mount houses a Praiz 48MP camera. The display, just like I mentioned earlier, is a drop notch display, and this to some extent can be a deal breaker depending on your personality. If you are someone that wants the latest or wants to be seen as someone that uses the latest and the greatest, then this phone might be something not for you. The display is a 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, which is full HD with a pixel per inch density of 401 ppi. The display is really good. Colors are vibrant and contrasty. On this device is a 5000 mAh battery, which is a big battery capacity, and it's enough to take you through a full day of modest phone usage. The battery or the phone supports 18-watt fast charging, and I was able to get up to 70% of battery charge in 1 hour 30 minutes. The Vivo Y51 features Snapdragon 665, which is an 11nm processor assisted by Adreno 610 GPU, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage space. The phone is fast, fluent, it's capable and can handle almost anything you put at it. But at this price, I was expecting better. I was expecting at least something from the Snapdragon 700 series. So you made it this far into this video. Please subscribe and don't hesitate to give this video a like or share. It would really mean a lot to me. The Vivo Y51 boots PhoneTouch OS 11 based on Android 11, which is Vivo's custom UI on top of Android 11. The experience is almost stock except from some customizations, which are necessary customizations. But apart from those customizations, the experience is fluent, it's smooth, it's clean like stock Android. So if you're someone that appreciates stock Android experience, then this phone is for you. The software is clean and minimal, which results in an experience that is fluid with minimal glitches and hitches. Some of the features packed in the software include eye protection to filter out blue lights and to help protect your eyes from harmful light. There's screen capture that can help to capture a specified rectangular area, and I found this very helpful, and this is something that you won't find in other devices. There's also a dark theme mode here if darkness is your thing. There's an ultra game mode button that helps improve gameplay, a small screen mode to enable you to use your phone single-handedly. The camera setup on the Vivo Y51 consists of a 48MP wide camera, an 8MP ultra wide camera, 2MP macro camera, and an LED flashlight. On the front of the device, there's a 16MP selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. Under good light situations, pictures are impressive, and I think Vivo pays very keen attention to their cameras. At this price, I can easily recommend this phone based on the camera over other phones in this price segment. Indoors, pictures do not look bad either, and for this price, I think this is the best camera phone around the 100k Nigerian Nairas or $250 price mark. Where this starts to become shady is in the video department. It doesn't have any form of stabilization and its maximum resolution is 1080p at 30 fps. However, there is a slow-mo mode here that can be useful if you need a slow-mo video. These are picture samples from the rear and front cameras of the Vivo Y51. There's only a mono down firing speaker on the Vivo Y51. Audio is fine but not impressive, but it gets quite loud too. The microphone sounds great too, but just for this price segment, and here is a sample. The audio you are hearing right now is straight out of the Vivo Y51 without any audio processing. Do let me know what you think about the audio quality in the comment section below. In conclusion, I think the Vivo Y51 is a solid device and a capable device for the price. It's beautiful on the outside and clean from the inside. However, I think it's overpriced. Think of it this way. There is no image stabilization here and you get to shoot video at a max resolution of 1080p and at 30 fps. And there's this notch display that looks like our past. Regardless, I still recommend the Vivo Y51 primarily because of the camera setup, not because of the design. The design is beautiful, but not really because of the design, but because of the camera and not because of the performance, because I think for this price, we could have gotten better. And this is the second time I'm recommending a Vivo device because of the camera setup. First, it was the Vivo V20. Yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up here again to that video. So after this video, you can go and watch that video. So that's it, guys. The Vivo Y51, solid, beautiful on the outside, clean from the inside, and it takes pictures that will impress your friends. Subscribe if you're not, like and share this video if it was helpful. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Peace.